What's up? Your boy is back with another build. Today, I just brought home these adorable little ducklings. Seriously, they're so cute, I instantly decided they needed a brand new, super fancy house complete with their very own swimming pool. And this is the prime land I've chosen for my duck's new house. First things first, gotta clear out this entire area. You know, make it spotless before we start building anything. My back already hurts just thinking about it next. I'm sketching out the design for the coop and then digging out all the dirt inside that shape. Man, you'd think digging a little bit wouldn't be so tiring, but I'm already wiped out, guys. Once that's done, we're laying down the brick walls for their swimming pool. Slathering cement on both sides of the pool walls. Gotta make sure it's nice and smooth. And don't forget to smooth out the bottom of the pool with cement too, to make sure it's absolutely watertight. No leaks allowed in this duck paradise. I used leftover ceramic tiles to fancy up the pool edge look slick, and helps keep those duck feet from slipping.
Alright, so the swimming pool, the duck's aquatic playground, is officially done. Now we're moving on to building the actual duck house.
I'm taking these old wooden planks and meticulously cutting and bending them into these smooth, wave-like curves. I'm doing the exact same thing for all the other planks.
Now, I'm securing these curved wooden pieces onto the pool section to create the main frame of the duck coop. It's finally starting to look like a real house next. I'm repurposing these bamboo slats to build the coop floor and the protective fence. It's breathable, natural, and super charming, and of course, we can't forget the super cute stairs for my ducks to waddle up and down.
The main frame of the duck coop is now complete. It's sturdy, stylish, and totally duck-worthy.
The coop's built, and now it's time for my favorite part, decorating. I'm going with a vibrant orange paint for the entire coop frame. And the stairs are getting a protective PU coat to keep those pesky termites away. And, of course, a calming blue paint for the rest of the coop. Look at it now, it's like a tiny little oasis. Don't forget to smooth out the cement for the area around the coop. 2. Keeps it clean and makes it look extra polished. I'm even repurposing some old wall panels I was about to throw away, lining them around the coop frame. It's beautiful, waterproof, and super budget-friendly. Tada! The duck coop is basically done.
Now, all that's left is to fill it with water and add some finishing touches.
I'm filling up their fancy swimming pool. Get ready for some serious duck splashing then. I'm spreading gravel, adding some greenery, and decorating the surrounding area to make it extra charming. Guaranteed to make anyone say, wow. Now, time to gently release my little ducklings into their brand new home.
there you have it. This one-of-a-kind duck coop masterpiece is officially complete. A sturdy duck house with a high-class swimming pool. This is truly the dream home for my ducks.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.